Ever wondered what it's like to trek through the ancient Inca Trail? Imagine embarking on a journey that starts with a stretch of the legendary path, a path that winds through the heart of the Andes, across misty cloud forests, past cascading waterfalls, and up steep mountain passes. This is not just a walk, but a step back in time, following in the footsteps of the ancient Incas. It's a testament to their ingenuity and determination, a marvel of engineering that has withstood the test of time. Along the way, you're surrounded by the raw, untamed beauty of the Peruvian landscape, its sweeping vistas and diverse ecosystems, a constant source of awe and inspiration. Every footstep, every breath, every heartbeat takes you closer to your destination, the awe-inspiring citadel of Machu Picchu. But hold on to your hats, folks. This is just the beginning of our adventure. Imagine standing high atop a mountain ridge, amidst the ruins of an ancient civilization. You're at Machu Picchu, a testament to the architectural prowess and ingenuity of the Inca civilization. This awe-inspiring citadel, perched precariously between the peaks of the Andes, is a maze of terraces, temples, and plazas. Each stone, each path, each structure whispers tales of a bygone era, of an empire that once was. Here, history is not just remembered, it's felt. The air is thick with the echoes of ancient rituals and the footsteps of Inca rulers. As we explore this labyrinth of history, we marvel at the intricate stonework, the grandeur of the ceremonial sites, and the panoramic vistas that stretch as far as the eye can see. Each corner reveals a new mystery, a new piece of the Inca puzzle. The past comes alive as we wander through this world of mystery and wonder. But what is Peru beyond its ancient ruins and breathtaking landscapes, you may ask? Well, it's a vibrant tapestry of culture and tradition, a place that pulses with life and color. Imagine strolling down the bustling streets of Lima, the capital city, where modern skyscrapers stand shoulder to shoulder with colonial-era architecture. The city is a living, breathing, urban jungle, teeming with energy and excitement. Now, transport yourself to the colorful markets of Cusco, the ancient capital of the Inca Empire. Here, every alleyway and square is a riot of colors, sounds, and smells. Handmade textiles in a rainbow of hues, vibrant pottery, and exotic fruits and spices fill the stalls, each a testament to the creativity and resourcefulness of the Peruvian people. But the culture of Peru isn't just seen, it's also tasted. From the tangy ceviche, a seafood dish marinated in citrus juices, to the hearty lomo saltado, a stir-fry that fuses Chinese and Peruvian flavors. Every bite tells a story of the country's diverse culinary influences. And let's not forget about the music. The rhythm of Andean music, with its haunting flutes and pulsating drums, echoes through the mountains and valleys, capturing the spirit and resilience of the Peruvian people. Finally, immerse yourself in the traditional festivals, where locals celebrate their history, beliefs, and way of life with great fervor and joy. From the vibrant Inti Raymi, honoring the sun god, to the lively carnival, every celebration is an experience to remember. Peru is a vibrant tapestry of culture and tradition, a place where every corner holds a new discovery. In conclusion, Peru is a destination like no other. This land, with its rich tapestry of history, culture, and breathtaking landscapes, offers an unparalleled travel experience. It's a place where the past and present converge, where the ancient whispers of the Inca civilization echo amidst the vibrant hum of modern life. From the legendary Inca Trail, a journey that winds through verdant cloud forests and past cascading waterfalls, to the awe-inspiring citadel of Machu Picchu, perched high atop a mountain ridge, Peru invites you to step back in time and marvel at the ingenuity of an ancient civilization. But the magic of Peru doesn't end with its historical treasures. The country also boasts a vibrant culture that pulses with life and color. Whether it's the bustling streets of Lima, the lively markets of Cusco, or the rhythmic dance of traditional festivals, Peru offers a sensory feast that will delight and captivate. And let's not forget the natural beauty of this stunning land. From the majestic peaks of the Andes to the lush Amazon rainforest, Peru's diverse landscapes offer endless opportunities for adventure and exploration. So if you're yearning for a travel experience that combines history, culture, and natural beauty, look no further than Peru. Pack your bags and come discover the best of Peru. It's waiting for you.